Okay guys, to remove the tail light on your Sprinter van, this is a 2022, but I think it's 19 or newer. So 2 Torx bits right at that little hole and that little hole on inside the door jamb. So you'll see that, you can see where I'm at. Okay, so once you remove that, I'm just gonna do this with one hand here and try not to make a mess because mine's full of water, believe it or not. Look how much water's in that thing, can you see that? It's insane. I had a detailer come and had all sorts of issues, but all right, so once you remove these Torx screws, you don't want to flex the light that way too much. What you want to do is close the door because it does come out, but you got to see these little male things that are in the side. Remember it was in this position, if you can see that. So look at these little males. You don't want to break the heads off of these. There are only 2 on my lens, or this lens. And those need to be pulled straight out towards, you know, the direction of the passenger side in a sense. So close the door and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, and then of course you have the plug, but you can see how they're mated into the side of the van here. So you need to pull the lens directly out. So you can close the door. And then what I always like to use is obviously a plastic pry tool. So it kind of helps just to get this in here and pull that straight out so you don't break those nipples off. Now this one has 3, but I only have 2 nipples on mine. I think they saved a few bucks by skipping the 3rd male in the middle here. And then you have the plug, which is quite easy. You can see it's a squeeze plug. So if you just squeeze it tightly there, these little guys, if you can see where my thumb is, I'll show you. So you just pinch it and it literally just pops right out. So it's got 1 on each side, so just pinch that and it pulls straight out. So that's how easy it is. Just 2 Torx bits, close the door, and then move the entire lens this way so you don't break off these nipples that go into these females here. And again, for some reason I only have 3, and I don't even think 1 broke off because, oops, oh shit, it's leaking that water I was worried about. I stuck it upside down. I only have 2, and there was no indication there was ever a 3rd one there. So anyway, yep, there's that water. Oh my God, it went all the way up the van. What a dummy. Anyway, that's how you do it. Take care. Hope that helps. Appreciate any likes and subscribe.